Welcome to Pronunciation for English Language Learners. First of all, we're going to talk about grammatical endings because in many languages there are no grammatical endings, and especially not final S, which we have in English at the end of most plurals, to show possession, and third-person singular in the present tense. So there are three ways that we can pronounce final S, sometimes as a S, sometimes as a Z, and sometimes as Uz. And it depends on the sound at the end of the base word. So if the sound is a voiceless consonant, then it's pronounced S. If it's a voiced consonant or a vowel, it's pronounced Z. And if the word ends in a S, hissy sound, then it has an extra vowel inserted and it sounds like Uz. So now we're going to practice some of these. All right, I divided these into pairs. Book, books. Plant, plants. Project, projects. Lamp, lamps. Look, looks. Youth, youths. Myth, myths. Guest, guests. Now the Z. Girl, girls. Apple, apples. Car, cars. Card, cards. Paper, papers. Essay, essays. Article, articles. Computer, computers. And finally, the is. Spice, spices. Glass, glasses. Dish, dishes. Crunch, crunches. House, houses. Source, sources. Pass, passes. Judge, judges. Then there are some words that just always end in S. So we're going to practice some of those. News, species, politics, hypothesis, thesis, sometimes, always, economics, relentless, syllabus, happiness, diabetes, downstairs, United States, physics. And finally, I have some sentences for you, and all of these sentences have some words that end in final S. So you can say them after me, or you can stop it and practice. The professor's email address is on her syllabus. I have 2 essays due this week. I need to add 3 quotes to this paper. Economics is a fascinating field of study. There are over 300 million people living in the United States. How many spaces do I leave after a period? Norse myths are fun to read. Sis always does her homework. Your thesis needs some revision. The article concludes with more questions than answers.